Restore your energy, vitality, and sense of well-being with these effective strategies for rejuvenation. Physical rejuvenation: get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night and maintain a consistent sleep schedule to replenish your body and mind. Exercise regularly. Engage in physical activities like yoga, walking, or strength training to boost energy and improve circulation, keeping your body rejuvenated and active. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on nutrient-rich foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats to nourish your body from within. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to maintain energy levels and detoxify your body, keeping you feeling refreshed. Take care of your skin. Regular cleansing, moisturizing, and occasional exfoliation can help your skin look fresh and healthy, promoting a sense of vitality. Mental rejuvenation: meditation and mindfulness. Spend 10-15 minutes daily to focus on your breathing or practice mindfulness to reduce stress and rejuvenate your mind. Learn something new. Pick up a hobby or skill to keep your mind sharp and engaged, encouraging mental rejuvenation. Unplug from technology. Limit screen time and spend some time offline to recharge mentally and regain focus. Organize your space. Decluttering your surroundings can create a sense of peace and focus, contributing to mental rejuvenation. Emotional rejuvenation: spend time with loved ones. Build deeper connections with friends and family to boost emotional well-being, fostering a sense of vitality and happiness. Practice gratitude. Reflect on what you're thankful for to foster positivity and emotional rejuvenation. Seek therapy or counseling. If feeling emotionally drained, speaking with a professional can provide clarity and support, promoting emotional well-being. Engage in joyful activities. Rediscover activities that make you happy, whether it's painting, dancing, or listening to music, promoting emotional rejuvenation. Spiritual rejuvenation: practice yoga. Combining physical postures with breathing and meditation can align your body and mind, promoting spiritual rejuvenation. Connect with nature. Spend time outdoors, whether hiking, gardening, or walking on the beach to rejuvenate your spirit and connect with the natural world. Reflect on purpose. Journaling or meditating on your goals and values can renew your sense of direction and promote spiritual rejuvenation. Take breaks and rest. Schedule downtime. Regular breaks during work or daily routines prevent burnout and help you rejuvenate. Pamper yourself. Enjoy spa treatments, massages, or simply a relaxing bath to treat yourself and rejuvenate your body and mind. Travel or take a staycation. A change of scenery can reset your mind and provide a sense of rejuvenation. Supportive practices: herbal remedies. Adaptogens like ashwagandha, ginseng, or holy basil can help reduce stress and boost energy, supporting overall rejuvenation. Mindful breathing. Practicing deep breathing exercises calms the nervous system and promotes a sense of well-being. Positive affirmations. Repeating affirmations can uplift your mindset, supporting your rejuvenation journey. Whether it's physical, mental, emotional, or spiritual rejuvenation, these strategies can help restore your energy, vitality, and sense of well-being. Are you in need of tips specific to a certain area like mental rejuvenation or skincare? Let's discuss how rejuvenation can improve your overall well-being today.